Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Family Feast of KFC with my mate Cristian from primary school and his brother Adrian. We've got a variety of options here, so let's dig in. Let's go. Who's pouring first?
You go first.
You can pour your own drink.
Appreciate it, bro.
I'm not you. I don't pour it for you. Why do we have straw? I don't want a straw.
I got boots.
Sweet. There you go.
Thank you.
Hey bro. Gravy?
Oh.
Still alive? Yeah, that's a good one. Sweet, let's dig in. Oh, I'm gonna put my drink here. Yeah, I'll put it there. That's sweet. What sauce is this? Sweet and sour.
It's chips are really good.
What's your favourite sauce? Sweet and sour, yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet and sour.
Sounds like this one.
Yeah, but... You want sweet and sour?
Huh? Nah, bro, it's alright.
Or if you want, it's here.
I have some. I'm not.
Shit the bottom.
You should burst it, man. I want to eat chicken, but I want to look fat. I don't want to person to cook.
Nah, I'll go. Try the chicken. It's good.
Is good?
It's boss.
Even the chopstick in the sauce.
Yeah, I don't care. Do you? How's the soccer game today?
Oh, it's like, God, I'm eating my chicken, bro. Come on, baby.
Chill. We gotta get that.
Chill.
Chill? What?
I said chill out, man. Alright. It's good.
Guys, so I moved to primary school in year 2. That's where I'm in year 5, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
We met in year 5 and we started talking and hanging out and stuff like that. And then Adrian was his brother, had to meet him, unfortunately.
Forced to meet him.
No, chill. But he moved to Melbourne, unfortunately. What the hell? Wait. Oh, I can't choke on this again.
So I'm choking on this, bro, that's why.
Last video I choked on my Macca's. It was so dry I choked on a apple on
Choking your Macca's.
Yeah. No, you're good.
Do you guys like the coleslaw?
Coleslaw was good, bro. That's the best part.
What is that laughing for? No, it's not.
First chicken done, bro.
The coleslaw.
Wait, what up?
I'll get the bucket. Put it front, bro.
Stuff the bucket. Hey, bro, matter of fact.
The coleslaw is one of the worst bits.
Wait, so you guys don't eat coleslaw?
Nah.
So I have this whole bucket to myself.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I'll bucket this up.
Bro, it's so good. I don't know what you guys are on about. Shit.
Are you serious?
What? My phone's going off, bro. Okay.
What nuggets are better? The ones at KFC or the ones at McDonald's?
What?
Which nuggets are better? The ones at KFC?
Macca's, bro.
Nah.
No, KFC.
KFC better.
Are you sure?
The one at Macca's are more crispier.
They're saggy. You want saggy? Saggy. Like the skin saggy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Macca's is crunchy. Tender. It's juicy.
These nuggets are so good.
Hey, where'd the wet ones go? No, I don't want it. I was just asking.
Chill out.
No, chill. Yeah, open this. But also in the south there.
It's good though.
What you don't like? Oh, my manager's here. Yeah, chill. Don't knock off my drink. Gravy? Oh yeah, that's nice.
Do you like eat the gravy with like a spoon?
I dip it in, bro. But you go hard.
The only thing I dip in here is the chips.
Chips is the sauce, right? Gravy is the chicken.
So you put potato and potato.
Yeah, because that's potato.
No, but like it's potato and gravy.
You know how they make gravy?
Oh.
I work at KFC now. You know, 2 days in training.
Can't explain your story.
Nah, actually, I don't make gravy. But I know it's bad, like they get the crumbs off the leftover chicken.
Yeah, man.
The oil or some shit.
I don't care, it's still good.
It is, but it's busting.
But it's phenomenal. The gravy's phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Why do you think it's good? It's because you're in front of Lana. Wait, what? Oh.
This gravy's phenomenal, bro. My dick is phenomenal. Nah, how do I eat this so I look like a big boy? I eat the skin first. I don't eat the chicken with the skin.
You are a big boy. What's your TikTok? One of you flexing and shit?
Oh,
Adrian Bundes 11?
hey.
Is that you?
You shut up.
Oh.
When you eat the chicken, do you like eat the skin with the chicken or do you take the skin off and you eat the skin?
I eat everything. But you. Skin is the best part, I'm not gonna lie. No cap. I'm getting full.
A bit, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
bro.
full, bro.
Oh, there's heaps of chicken left for you,
Bro,
so.
you can carry the mukbang, yeah? You can carry it.
Yeah, bro.
Eat everything.
Carry us to a victory round.
Oh, bro. I get your views.
Bro, I'm telling you, Cristian is a sweat at Fortnite.
I'm too good, bro.
Guy was just doing triple edits, quadruple edits.
Efforts just checking.
Hey, sleeping over, so if you guys want to 1v1, comment down below. You want to 1v1 them? Comment down below. And we'll get you in a 1v1 with him.
Are we like trash talking? Trash talking, like.
To them?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, mad.
The chicken's so juicy. Look at the table.
Tail?
You gotta look at the table.
Huh?
It's so good. God damn.
Oh, what a funny guy. I love how everyone's just peeling the chicken, so you...
You guys watched the new Spider-Man?
Yes. Have you?
I haven't watched the new Spider-Man.
The aunt dies.
Nah. The statue?
Yeah.
That's a milf, bro.
MJ.
Yeah.
She's a girlfriend.
Yeah, doesn't she die?
No.
Doesn't she like forget them?
No, she doesn't. Oh yeah, she forgets she's alive. I haven't watched it since it came out, so might have to recap, you know?
Recap it.
Yeah. What?
Nothing.
Oh, you're alright.
You good? Pass me the button.
What do you say? Pass me the Jew.
Pass me the Jew.
This video turned in from family friendly to like R18.
So when
Viewers over 18.
Trying to be the man to do, bro. Check my dick. I've done nothing. Did you fill it up again? We have to talk. Hey, you fill your cup?
That's mine.
Did you fill it up a second time?
No. just cup of my drink.
I would have said something, but it's been from
Okay.
half the video. You're just gonna cut out. I was just saying stuff.
Oh well. This is the first for every time you feel me. First time talking to a girl, stuttering. We.
What?
What? What?
What are you saying, man?
No, you guys just making me work harder.
Huh?
You guys are making me work harder, you know what I mean?
Nah.
Because you're saying all this stuff, and when I edit this, I'm gonna have to work like 2 hours on this.
Just put like beeps on it and stuff. Would you have flagged for that?
Nah, I don't know.
It's mukbang. Imagine you're watching it and then imagine he's just loud as beat.
Yeah, but like
It's not very mukbang.
Not bad.
we haven't been talking that much.
So what do you guys think about COVID?
Ah, my shoulder.
I think
Now we're going back to online school, aren't we? We are.
Online school's actually right for me.
Yeah, because you don't have to wake up and go to school. How far is your school from where you are, guys, in Melbourne?
20 minutes.
You walk?
Nah, bus.
Oh,
But he likes staying home because he doesn't know how to talk to people. He just stutters too much.
Guess what? You're fat.
Now this is the roast battle. Oh my god.
How did you start your YouTube channel?
3 years ago, went to Turkey, my home country, you know, and then my cousin, she was showing me ASMR. I'm like, what the hell is this? And then I saw it trending, so I started it. You feel me?
Wow. Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
No, it's not that funny. I don't know. It's just so stuffy.
I guess full?
Yeah, bro.
A little bit.
One each, you guys go.
I'm full of a turkey, but also ugh.
Little chips.
What do you think the easiest sport is?
Soccer. Hey, how's the soccer game? You didn't answer. How's the soccer game?
That was
Should have seen
phenomenal.
him. I was like Cristiano Ronaldo. I was actually Cristiano.
Sway! Who's better?
Me.
You guys both said it at the same time. We're gonna have to sort this out after this video.
Post this on your YouTube channel, post it anywhere. Facebook, everywhere, bro. I'm like,
What's that?
Did you say what's up?
What's that?
Oh god.
What do you reckon the best fast food chain is?
Show this guy, bro.
What do you mean chain?
Like KFC, McDonald's, Hungry Jack's, Subway.
You
What's
just said the fast food restaurant. Why'd you say chain?
Let me start that.
Best fast food restaurant?
What's the best fast food restaurant?
What do you think? It's either Mac's or KFC.
McDonald's is overrated.
It's true. You guys know, I almost choked on my food. Well, I did choke. I did
I
choke.
still also choked on it.
Bro. Come on, bro.
Yallah Habib, I know you wanna I know you wanna scoff that shit down and you're taking your time.
Mom's brain.
Mum's brain.
Mom's brain.
Are you full?
No.
Then hurry up.
Bro, eat some gravy, I don't know, start eating it.
The gravy, I can't eat it by itself.
Oh.
Eat your chicken, there's still a lot of meat on there.
Huh?
There's a lot of meat on there.
Bro, I should be clean.
Why are you laughing?
Huh?
Oh.
Anyone have any funny stories?
Like what?
I don't know.
One time I got bashed in S7.
One time we're doing knock and run. Guy came out, took my shoe. My phone and shoe dropped. I took my phone because it's more expensive and stuff. So I left my shoe and the guy took it. It is what it is. Now I'm rocking up with slides.
Slides?
Slides. Don't even fit me anymore. Oh.
Can't go in his street.
Yeah,
was it.
What? Guys speaking gibberish.
Yeah, about 7.
What the fuck?
7 minutes of good footage.
But if you say that chicken is in there, where's the chicken?
Chicken where?
In here. It's like
No,
smashed up.
when they fry the chicken or something, the crumbs or the oil left over, they put in that.
I think we're done.
Yeah, no, you don't want it.
You don't want it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. These two are retarded. Island boy.
I love you.
Until next time. Alright guys, we're done as you can see. It's crazy feed. You guys full?
Demonstrate.
Yeah, I don't just say yeah, Island boy.
I'm gonna love it.
Alright guys, until next time, that is.